For dental professionals, their equipment is the backbone of their practice. It's what allows them to provide the highest quality care to their patients. But what happens when that equipment breaks down? That's where our dental equipment operation and repair training video content production services come in. We offer comprehensive training videos that teach dentists and their staff how to operate and repair their dental equipment. Our training videos cover everything from basic maintenance to advanced repair techniques. We use state-of-the-art technology and equipment to produce high-quality video content that is easy to understand and follow. With our services, dental equipment manufacturers can be confident that their products are being presented in the best possible light. And dental professionals can rest easy knowing that their equipment is in good hands. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help keep your dental practice up and running, or to discuss